How to fix dead pixels on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the dead pixels on Android. Now, if there is a dead pixel on a screen, now you want to fix it. First thing is to wait. You can wait for the dead pixel to disappear on its own. It may go away on its own, but there is no telling on how long it will take. The other way is you can use the app that is available on Play Store in order to fix the dead pixels. You can go ahead and head into Play Store. You can search the dead pixels fixer, or you can search US Screen Fix. Now this app that I searched for isn't available in my region, but this dead pixels test and fix is here. You can simply go ahead, download it, open it up, and you can check for dead pixels, and you can tap on fix dead pixel, and you can go ahead and start the auto one and start it, and it might take up to 10 minutes 15 minutes, and you'll have to wait, and this might fix the issue. However, if you have tried this and it is still not being fixed, then the only way is to replace the screen. So this way you can fix the dead pixels on Android. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.